we're here to basically let you guys know the pros and cons of network marketing, giving you a real perspective of real life people who are network marketing, letting you guys know why people love it, why people hate it, the confusion, and give you guys clarity on why this is something that you all should be involved in.
So let's start with the basics. What is network marketing?
What is network marketing? Network marketing is it's a style of business to where the company allots a budget to advertise. So when a company allots a budget to advertise, they have options. They can do commercials, they can do radio spots, they can do like Super Bowl promos, they can connect with other businesses. There's many ways to put out your promo. The typical way to put out your promo is like I said, commercials and radio spots. That's like the traditional way, and it's really like the old school way. The newer version of that, and network marketing is not new, but network marketing has taken over now. But the newer version of it is to pay people for word of mouth promotion, and that's where we come into play. So instead of paying $1 billion for a Super Bowl commercial, you can pay 10 people $1 million, and you can create people to be millionaires through your company from promoting and marketing your company with word of mouth, or whatever way they decide to market and promote your brand to bring people in. So essentially, network marketers get paid a commission to bring people in, just like any other job or anything else. But instead of being limited to your hourly income, for the most part, your income is not limited at all. So that's pretty much network marketing in a nutshell.
Would you say network marketing provides more jobs, expands job opportunities to folks?
I wouldn't even say it was a job. I look at more of it as like the opportunity for you to create jobs for other people, create a new source of income, and create an organization. So a job, for the most part, is you go and work your 9 to 5, work your hours, and get paid for your hours. This, you don't get paid for your hours, because you can literally put in 24 hours and get paid zero. Or you can work 1 hour and get paid $1 million a day. It's really up to you and your organization. So I look at it, it creates opportunities, and it creates moguls, and it creates empires, it creates organizations, it creates movements, but it doesn't create jobs. Income opportunities, yes, but it doesn't create like jobs. And that's just my perspective of like jobs.
So why did you become a network marketer?
The funny part about it is I was already network marketing my whole life. Like literally just networking and bringing people in. I used to work in the music industry. So I literally created teams, created systems. I brought people into the labels for marketing and promo, and then expanded and built teams. And I didn't even know what network marketing was. I was already doing it. I also used to club promote. So I would bring people to these clubs and these events, and they would come in and they would pay the door fee, and they would pay for drinks and bottle service, and they would pay for pictures and pay for food. But the funny part about it is I wasn't getting none of that. I was just getting a percentage of the door. So somebody can come in and pay $100, $200, $300, $1,000. I would get $10 like per person out of all of that. You know what I mean? And then I made some good money even still, but I was already doing these things. I was already connecting people, already building and putting people in the same space to do events with. And then I transitioned to the music industry, and I did the same thing. I was team building. I had all types of promo teams. And so I was already doing it. So when network marketing came across my table, as far as like, oh, I can get paid by bringing people in, I'm like, well, shit, I've been doing that and not even getting paid for it.
Right.
So it just made too much sense that I can get a commission to build with people, and it's my job to make sure they're successful. So it just made perfect sense to me.
And I like what you said about building with people, because there may be folks watching this who think of like marketing or sales or network marketing as the traditional image of somebody coming up to your door trying to sell you a vacuum cleaner and telling you about all the amazing bells and whistles of this particular vacuum cleaner and why it's better than any other vacuum cleaner. So how is modern day 21st century network marketing different from, you know, sales or network marketing in the 90s or even in the early 2000s? How has it evolved?
What I've experienced with the trading group that we in, people are creating subdivisions of network marketing. So the academy that we're all a part of is IML, iMarkets Live. That is like the standard academy, the top of the top. But the beautiful thing that I see that's happening is people are creating subdivisions of their own culture within the culture. So
Mm,
IML is a learning academy that teaches people how to trade. Cool. Then you have somebody like Cash the Great, who is our mentor, that created an organization called Money Moves Only. The target market for Money Moves Only is like, I'm gonna say 17 to 25, high energy, our demographic, minorities, or melanated people, or whatever you want to call it. It's a fun, upbeat organization, and it's catered to us.
mhm.
And that's amazing because I feel like with the other versions or the older versions of network marketing, it was just like we have a standard of how the entire company runs, and it has to be like this. This is the culture. The beautiful part about what we got going on, it can be different cultures within the same organization because we have our culture of moms, we have our culture of college students, we
Right.
have our culture of soldiers, we have our culture, we have our subdivisions and subgroups. We got a Jamaican team, we got a Korea team. So basically, all of these subgroups have a united front when it comes to like IML, and I feel like that's the next level of it. The old way was just okay, we have our company and everybody abide by this culture, and if you're not abiding by this culture, you might not fit in. This any culture, like I said, we are connecting with our younger melanated people, but it can be older, like 50 plus group of traders. And if that's your network and then that's what works for you guys, somebody can create a subdivision of that to cater to them. So this new wave of network marketing can cater to all people, and you can build your own brand within the brand. And this is the first time I've actually seen that because we know we got Trade House, we got MMO, we got this, we got that, we got all of these different subdivisions and subgroups that have their own culture. And I feel like that's a way for everybody to win because everybody can find a circle where they can fit into in this trading organization or any network marketing organization.
Thank you so much. So we're going to end it there. Stick around for part 2 as we get in deeper into the soul of network marketing.